You're gay.
I'm half gay too, so it's okay.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Thanksgiving! And all that good shit's coming up.
So the holidays is coming up.
That's what I meant.
And I'm pretty excited.
Thanksgiving, good stuff y'all face.
Be fat.
And Black Friday.
So we're gonna like wake up really early and then we're gonna hop on the bus and we're gonna go to the mall and we're gonna pretend like we have money or something. Pretend. We're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna buy this, and we're gonna be holding up a Gucci bag and shit. And we're like,
Gucci, Fendi, Fendi, Prada.
basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. I put that on my product.
I put that on my family.
Open City representative, just me as your majesty. I'm done. My background says booty whore. I don't know if you can see that, but booty whore.
Okay, and then after all that good shit, Christmas!
I like Christmas.
Fuck you texting me in the video.
I'm sorry, I was checking my messages. Twitter.
What do you do for Christmas?
On Christmas? Scratch my butt. I'm just kidding. No, I wake up and I open presents and I cry. Okay. Yeah. So what else? What do you do for Christmas?
On Christmas Eve, my mom yells at me and throws new pajamas at me. And then I put those on. And then I wake up at like 3 o'clock in the morning and I go and like unwrap all my presents. Like I do it really precisely so I can put it back. And then she yells at me when she finds out later because I missed a piece of tape. And I blame it on my little brother. And that works.
That's really good. That's really good. So my friend, the other day, we went to Taco Bell and my friend stole a Taco Bell tray from me. I'm actually kind of obsessed with Taco Bell. No, Taco Bell's like just a close friend, you know? Alright. It's kind of like, you know, 11:20 at night, but
It's 40 minutes till tomorrow.
that's anyways.
Today, when we was trying to think about what to talk about in this video, we came up with the topic spirit animals.
Like, you know when you look at somebody and you just see an animal?
You're like, you see a fat guy walking, you're like, oh shit, it's an ape. Like that.
Only if
He's
you're
an owl though.
I'm an owl.
I'm not fucking eyes up, and I know this because like one time this Indian lady and I was at a reserve and she told me I was a wolf. And then I went and researched like, you know how you guys have your horoscopes and shit that tell you what you are? Mine just said I was a wolf.
She's a wolf.
But Christopher Drew, his spirit animal was a red-tailed hawk.
Fuck.
He has it tattooed right here. Did you know that?
No.
It's so cool. It's so hot.
And yeah. What's your spirit animal? Tell them to look at themselves in the fucking mirror.
Look at yourselves in the fucking mirror. And tell us your spirit animal.
leave it in the comments below which we get in the comments because you know we're like pretty. What the hell was? So anyways, I don't know what else to talk about today. Do you like my pajamas? They have happy feet on them because it's cute.
You threw it at me. Look at my socks. They're fuzzy as shit.
Those are my socks.
I have finger toes. Do you guys have finger toes?
She has finger toes.
I have. Look.
No, like, okay,
look. They like go up so high. Look. They're like antennas. Antennas.
Did you know they have scholarships for anything? Like, you can get a scholarship for having your first toe, like your thumb toe thing, smaller than your second toe.
I can get a scholarship.
You can, dude.
Shit, I can finally go to college.
So today I was like, on a scale of 1 to gay, how gay do I look right now? And she said,
Adam Lambert.
I got really upset.
She thought I was gonna say full. Then she said on a scale from Adam Lambert to gay. And I was like, Jeffree Star. He does not have the eyes.
Dude, no, nobody does.
He has like the best eyes.
I met Jeffree Star, and he's pretty hot. I'll show you the pictures. Here you go. So this video's getting pretty gay, so I think we should go, like, Taco Bell or some shit.
I already told him what time it was. I'm sorry, Jimmy, I love you.
Babe.
Babe.
A babe.
A babe.
Okay, well, seriously though, until next time, my friends. Bye!